My name is Justin Haywood, president and co-founder of Haywood Wealth Management. We do a lot of events related to tax planning, retirement planning, Medicare, Social Security, and there's one question that I get asked more than any other, and that's what's the one thing that I need to know before I retire? And while there are a lot of possibly good answers, in my opinion, there is one thing that's most important that you should know before you retire, and that's what I'm going to talk to you about briefly today. One thing that I think that you should know before you retire is the order in which you're going to distribute the assets from your retirement accounts. So let's just say that you retire, you're 65 years old, you've got $2 million saved. Let's assume $1 million is saved in a traditional IRA, $500,000 is saved in a Roth IRA, and another $500,000 in taxable accounts. Now, when you go to retire, you need to know the order in which you're going to distribute those assets. A lot of people default to just taking from the largest account. So they'll draw down the traditional IRA, they'll leave the Roth and the taxable accounts there to just kind of grow in the background, and they'll pull their traditional IRA, which is 100% taxable as ordinary income. Now that might be the best way, or it might not. So before you retire, you need to actually have a plan for how you're going to distribute those assets from these various accounts, because depending on your situation, it can make a really big difference on the after-tax consequences and the long-term sustainability of your retirement plan. So that's the one thing that you need to know before you retire. How am I going to distribute the assets from the various accounts that I've accumulated over the years in the most tax-efficient way to minimize the amount of taxes I pay throughout my retirement years? Please like and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more content like this.